NATURDAO Para-K server. NATURDAO is used to control food histaminosis and other problems of the digestive system. It is also used to treat allergies, histamine intolerance, histamine poisoning, such as fibromyalgia, migraine, tiredness, lack of attention. But better, we detail everything. Keep reading. NATURDAO. What is it for? NATURDAO is used to control food histaminosis and other problems of the digestive system. It is used to treat neurological pathologies, such as migraine, headache, lack of attention, irritability or anxiety. It is used to treat muscular disorders such as fatigue. It is used to treat skin pathologies, such as atypical skin. It is used to treat gastrointestinal disorders, such as gastric acid secretion, inflammation, chronic disease or ulcerative colitis. NATURDAO is used for all those cases in which these diseases or problems are due to having a deficiency of the diamine oxidase enzyme in the small intestine. Histamine is formed in food by the action of microorganism decarboxylase enzymes from the precursor amino acid L-histamine. If the metabolic activity of the diamine oxidase, DAO, enzyme is reduced due to genetic, pharmacological and/or pathological factors, it does not degrade the ingested histamine, passing it into the circulation through the intestinal mucosa and causing the appearance of no of the symptoms. Alimentary histaminosis, associated with pseudoallergic phenomena, can occur with the ingestion of foods that contain histamine, such as red wine, beer, chocolate, sauerkraut, fish, and processed meats. Histaminosis is an enteric dysfunction that frequently affects the population of industrialized countries. This disorder is more common in people with low levels of intestinal histaminase, a copper-containing diamine oxidase, DAO, EC1.4.3.22, capable of catalyzing the oxidative breakdown of histamine to produce H2O2, NH3, and imidazole acetaldehyde. Histamine sensitivity is associated with symptoms such as gastrointestinal discomfort, migraine, irritation of the nasal mucosa, pruritus and other forms of allergy. In addition, histamine, also known as a pro-inflammatory agent, is a risk factor for subjects suffering from inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, and colon cancer. In addition, a decrease in histamine catabolism activity has been demonstrated in the colonic mucosa of patients with colonic adenomas. Currently, no pharmaceutical treatment is available to control the level of intestinal histamine. In this context, considering that intestinal DAO is the main metabolizing enzyme of ingested histamine, orally administered DAO, NATURDAO, food supplements have been suggested for the treatment of alimentary histaminosis and other dysfunctions related to altered histamine metabolism. Histamine, NATURDAO, side effects. NATURDAO has no side effects. Detail if tests have been done, which ones, with how many people, etc. To give confidence, at the bottom of the page you will find other links with much more information about NATURDAO. We recommend you read them. An article by Catalina Vidal Ramirez, pharmacist, manager at bio-pharma.es. The information presented in this article is in no way a substitute for the advice of a physician. Any mention in this article of a product does not represent the endorsement of the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, for that product.